Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check Samsung A35 5G is original or fake. Well, fake devices often have inferior hardware components and performance compared to original devices. So, knowing if your device is original ensures you get the performance you paid for. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open settings on your device. Well, after that, here you can scroll down and select about phone option. Next, you can copy one of the main number here. After that, open please Chrome browser on your device. And then type email.info. Okay, and then here you can copy paste the email number. And then confirmation captcha here. After finishing the confirmation process, and then click check. And here will below the information about your device if it's original or not fake. Well, that's the tutorial on how to check the Samsung A35 5G is original or fake. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.